Hello everyone. Today we are going to unlock a Wi-Fi router. A friend from Myanmar contacted us and requested to unlock this router. So now we will remotely connect via any desk and unlock it. Right now you can see on our screen that it's showing a network lock. Our friend has put a U9 network SIM in it, but the router isn't supporting it. You can clearly see that its status shows network lock. Now let me show you its model details. As you can see here, it's Telenor Broadband B311s-220 latest security V5 model. Our friend said that he had already checked it in several markets but couldn't get it unlocked. Finally, he got our number from YouTube and contacted us requesting us to unlock this router. This video is being shown as proof that it can be used on all networks. It can be unlocked. Today you will learn all the details on how to unlock this router. We'll try our best to explain everything easily. One more thing friends, to unlock this router, we'll need to do software flashing. And for software flashing, we have to open the router, meaning physically open it, short its test point or boot point, and then connect the cable. It's very easy, not difficult at all. After opening the router, I'm showing you a picture here. This is the front and back side of the router. In this, you have to solder a USB. You take any mobile charging data cable, cut off the mobile end, and then you have to connect 3 wires from it to the router. You can attach those 3 wires on the front side or on the back side. I've mentioned both points. You only need to connect 3 wires. There's no need to connect the 4th wire, the red one. On the front side, there are 2 dots that you have to short to enable the router's boot mode. Once you solder these 3 wires, you then short the boot and connect it to the computer. This will enable its port in the computer. Using that port, we can flash the software and unlock the router. Now our customer has already done the USB wiring on the router, and now we will show you how to enable boot mode and connect the router to the computer. First of all, you can see here that our friend has done the USB wiring. After doing the USB wiring, our friend has attached the USB cable to the computer, as you can see. Right now, no port is showing on the computer. Now we will enable boot mode so that the port can appear. First, we will short these 2 dots together using something metallic. You can use anything to short these 2 dots. Our friend is using a tweezer to join them. First, we have to keep those points shorted, and then we connect the power adapter to the router. As soon as we connect the power adapter to the router, no lights will turn on and the router will connect in boot mode. If any light turns on your router, it means something went wrong and you need to fix it. Now the router is connected in boot mode and our port has appeared. Now we will flash its software, which will unlock the router for all networks. The software installation might take a little time, so we'll wait for a moment here. If you also have a Wi-Fi router like this and you're worried because you want to run another network SIM in it but can't, then no need to worry anymore. You can get your pocket Wi-Fi modem router unlocked from home without any hassle. You don't need to go to any market or shop. The thing is, many people get worried because they can't find a shop where they can get their router unlocked. So now there's good news for all of those friends. They can get any Wi-Fi router unlocked from home. Our contact number is given on the screen. Just send us a picture of your router on WhatsApp and get the details. If it's one we can unlock, we'll definitely unlock it for you. Successfully, friends, our router has been unlocked. Now you can see where it was showing a network lock, that issue is gone. And now the same U9 SIM, which was showing network lock earlier, has started working. You can see that a 4G network has appeared. Now this router can be used on any network. Friends, if you liked our video, please give it a like. To stay updated with more tech from the 4G world, subscribe to our channel. You'll keep getting lots of technical updates here. If you work with software, we'll see you again with another Wi-Fi unlocking software. Now allow us to leave. Take great care of yourselves. Goodbye.